How to make a real estate website using the Wix.com. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to easily make a website for your real estate. So it may sound difficult, but in fact it's really easy to do, and I will show you step by step how to do it. So the first thing you need to do is to create or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already made one. And the second step is you need to create new site. Just click on this button and you will be forward to the next page. So it's going to offer us create a site with help of AI chat, but we are going to set up without chat. So I just click on this button, and then we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. So today we are creating a real estate website. So I just type real estate landing page, okay, then click continue, and it's going to download our prepare our dashboard. So the dashboard is a feature of Wix that helps you to manage all the features of your website. The next step is to create a name for your real estate, for your business. I'm going to name it Cube House, just for an example. That would be name of our business. And here you need to type your business address, your real estate address. So I don't have it an address, and I'm just going to click continue. And you need to set your default working hours of your real estate. I'm not going to change anything here. I just click continue, and then you need to start adding your services, for example, property viewings, property management, property financing, valuation, development cancellation, initial cancellation, weekly group sessions, and recurring class. I'm just going to add this financing, and then I click continue. And here I need to add staff members. I don't really have ones, so I just go and name myself, and I can here add an email. It's optional, so I don't want to add it, and I click continue. And what else do you want to do with your business? I can offer virtual sessions, accept online payments, sync my personal calendar, send automated emails and SMS reminders, or manage your services and bookings on the go. I'm not going to choose any of these useful tools. In fact, for you to skip it. As the next step, we are all set. We are continue to the dashboard, and the next step, you need to connect your website and custom domain. So how to do it, I will show it right now. So dashboard are loaded. As you can see, we are already update our business type, and now we need to connect a custom domain. So for example, they give us cubehousehub.com. So you need to check if this domain is available right now. You just click on let's go button, and it will be checked. cubehousehub.com is available now, and when you click make it yours, Wix.com make it offers to upgrade your account. There are 4 upgrade plans, and later in this video I will show it what is it. So then you add your first services as your real estate management, then you set up payment methods, and the next step is design your website. Click on this or this thing, and now it offers us to design your website with AI technology, or we can browse thousands of design, then pick one to customize. So I wanted to pick a template, I will click on this button, and here we will be browsing templates that are already done. As you already see, there are a lot of beautiful templates for real estate firms. As you can see, there are landing page, there are many websites. You can just choose the best for yourself that matches you, then click edit. For example, I really like this one. I just click edit, and it's going to upload our editing page. So editing on Wix is the best option because you don't need to know any programming languages like Java, Python, HTML. You just create a website on another website, and this is the best thing about Wix.com. As you can see, it's already loaded our editor page. So in this editing page you can add elements, add sections, add pages and menu, create site design, add apps. You can see here my business, media and CMS. So how to edit this website? Everything is divided into sections. You can edit every section. You can see there are pages. You can see home information, book online, service page, booking calendar, booking form, thank you page. We will edit right now our home page. For example, it is already home information, but I don't really like this home video tour. For example, you need to delete it. It's easy to do like this. And I want to change this text. I don't like this price. Double click on it one more time, and I wanted to do $5 million. I think that's a good price. I can do font size larger, like this, actually. Okay, I think it's fine. And for example, I want to delete also this page, and edit this page. I don't like it. It is very big. I can do like this, and it become smaller. So editing the website is really easy. When you're already editing it, just click on publish, and it will be seen in the internet. So save and continue. Now our site is safe. Click on done. We can view the site, and here it is. It's our site that we just now edited. It's ready. You can check it by yourself. So let's go. I will show you these upgrade plans. There are 4 in total. You can have very many upgrade plans. Business VIP, Business Unlimited, VIP, Business Basic, Unlimited, Combo, Connect Domain. Choose whatever you want and whatever you need. So thank you guys for you watching this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.